Lyle with MarineMax. Today I'm on a 2020 Sea Ray 190 SPX. Just want to kind of show you, sitting back here on the deck, got a giant swim platform covered in sea deck so you're comfortable sitting on the water. Big deep reach stainless swim ladder so you can climb in and out real easily, so if you get out swimming, makes it real easy to get out of the boat. Come on through. We've got a really wide walkthrough, easy to get in and out of this boat. Step inside to this great social zone, plenty of seating in this boat. Captain's chair here, got a flip up bolster so you can sit at the helm, look over the windshield if you need to. Here at the helm, speaking of that, we've got Simrad, Fusion stereo, tilt wheel, and then of course traditional analog gauges as well, so you can keep on track of everything. There's a big storage area on the passenger side of this. We've got our cover in there right now. Big carpeted storage area, of course subwoofer for the stereo. And then of course up here in the bow, plenty of seating for you and all your friends. Relax, chill out, have a great time. Come on out to MarineMax in Louisville. You can call us at 972-436-9979 or catch us at marinemax.com.